Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and welcome to Crystal Flare. Today I'll show you how to make a magical crystal angel suncatcher, perfect for gifting or brightening up your space. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future tutorials. Let's start by preparing our materials: crimp beads and scissors or wire cutters. You'll need a pair of crimping pliers and about 25 to 30 centimeters of 49 strand nylon-coated beading wire in pearl or clear. For the angel body, grab one 38mm teardrop crystal, 8 14mm octagon crystals, one 10mm round crystal for the head, one rhinestone halo, and two small 4mm round beads. For the hanging strand, you'll need 8 to 10 beads in 4mm and 8mm sizes. Start by cutting your wire and threading the teardrop crystal. This forms the angel's body. Then add 4 octagon crystals to each side, forming the wings. After that, place one 4mm bead on each side. Then thread both ends through the 10mm bead for the head. Gently add the halo on top. Adjust everything so it's nicely centered. This might take a bit of patience, but you're doing great. Awesome work so far. Once the angel is complete, let's move on to the hanging strand. Use a new piece of wire or the remaining length if it's long enough. Start stringing beads in alternating 4mm and 8mm sizes. Feel free to play around with colors and patterns. This is your time to be creative. Keep adding until you reach the length you like. Nice job. It's really coming together. Now secure everything using crimp beads. Thread the wire through a crimp bead and a loop or clasp, then back through the crimp. Pull gently to tighten and flatten the crimp with your pliers. Trim the extra wire. Do the same at the other end. You can now attach a ribbon or hook for hanging. You're making great progress, almost there. Hang it in a window, give it to someone special, or keep it for yourself. This little angel will bring light and peace into any space. Well done. You just created a handmade suncatcher with your own hands. How awesome is that? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and comment below to let me know how yours turned out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future sparkly projects. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. See you in the next video, and keep shining.